Today I am going to embroider this design. For the stems, I am going to use stem stitch. The thread should be on your left hand side and take small stitches. The same stitch I am going to use for this one, and all these over here. This. For the leaves, I am going to use satin stitch. For this leaf, I am going to use different shades of green for the different divisions. Simple satin stitch. Do not leave too much gap between the stitches. This is how I am going to fill up all the sections. That's all. After completing the leaf using satin stitch and different shades of green, I am going to do the border using this dark green thread, and I will do stem stitch. Thread on the left hand side and take small stitches to do the border. For this leaf also I have taken green thread. I will begin from here. I am going to do this using satin stitch. I have taken 3 strands of thread. Simple satin stitch. Try not to leave too much gap between 2 stitches, then it doesn't look good. That's all. That is all. After completing this green, I have taken another shade of green thread, and I have done one line of satin stitch this side, and I will do the same thing on this side also. Very simple satin stitch. For this line, you may leave a little bit of gap. That's all. This is the way I will complete this. After completing this sleeve also using satin stitch, these over here also I am going to do using satin stitch. The same thing I will do. Try and take the stitches close to each other. That's all. I have taken 3 strands of thread. For doing this part, I have put a piece of cotton wool over here just to give it a 3D effect. You may fix it with a stitch so that it doesn't move. I have not fixed it. Then I have taken this thread and I am going to do satin stitch. I have taken a shaded maroon thread and on top of the wool I am going to do satin stitch. For this I have taken 6 strands of thread. Don't pull the thread too much and try not to leave too much gap between 2 stitches. That is all. This is the way I am going to cover the cotton wool. After completing this, I have taken yellow thread and I will just do this lines this way and then crisscross lines. That's all. That is all I will do. Crisscross lines. After completing these lines, I will start from here, go in and out, pull the thread, and just go down. I'll do the same thing for the other lines also. After completing this crisscross, I have taken a green thread. For each of these, I will just pick up the thread from here and just go down. That is all. For each of these, I will do it. Once would be enough. Again for this one. Again go down this way. That's all. This is how I am going to complete it. For each of these I am going to do. That's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.